Hello everyone, this is Rekha and today we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Flipped Classroom. So what is this flipped classroom actually mean? We can say that the flipped learning is an approach that allows teachers to implement a methodology or various methodologies in their classroom. And we can also say that it is all about creating opportunities for active engagement. So we are saying that in the flipped classroom model, it is a kind of methodology that is being implemented. So what is that methodology we are implementing in the flipped classroom? Here in the flipped classroom, the teacher explains the concept to the students either on video or through presentation software with voiceover, whereas the students can watch the content before the class and prepare for the day's activities. Because the students are already familiar with the material when the class begins, they can spend their time collaborating with the teacher and also other students to solidify their learning. And in this slide, we can see both the traditional classroom model and also the flipped classroom model. Usually in the traditional classroom model, the teachers and we can say that the teacher is the primary source of information and the teacher's role stays on the stage. And whereas in the flipped classroom model, the in-class time is dedicated for exploring the topics in greater depth and creating rich learning opportunities. So as a result, the students are actively involved in knowledge construction as they participate in and evaluate their learning in a manner that is personally meaningful. And also furthermore, research says that the educators who flip their classes are flexible in their expectations of student timelines for learning and in their assessment of student learning. So for implementing the flipped classroom model, we have various kinds of software tools. So these are the various kinds of tools which are very helpful for implementing the flipped classroom. They are Zing, Screencast-O-Matic, Echo 360, Blackboard Collaborate Recorded Sessions, Audacity Podcasting, Narrated PowerPoints, Google Apps, etc. And also we have various learning resources for the flipped classroom model. Thank you.